I'm Natalia Evans, and I'm in Successful Angels Learning Center, and I am here with little kids. This is Jacoby, Jaslyn, Jordan, and Jakaya. And we're learning here with the blocks, blue, and we're not in the shapes yet, but we're learning to build the towers and not using their hands to knock it down, so they get the feeling of the objects here. And we're learning do circling and movement of their hands and drawings.
No!
Movement of their hands and drawings. They did this by themselves. Teaching them a little bit more about learning objects and sharing and knocking stuff down whenever they're building objects. There you go, Jacoby.
Manipulatives, they really help with those fine motor skills, and it help them make themselves really, really strong, so they'll be more accessible to writing skills. Here at Successful Angels, we strive on just learning, and learning starts in your formative years. We're located here in Verona, so feel free to look us up on Facebook, or you can Google us at Successful Angels Family Care and Guaranteed Learning. I'm the owner. My name is Joyce Griffin. I know I'm off scene. And I'm proud to have my assistant, Miss Natalia Evans. She's really, really good with these little ones. And she works with them from age, well, right now, some say from 12 months to age 2.
What's wrong?
And they're learning small motor skills. Also, children that have a really, really hard time forming letters or shapes, they're coming here first, and then they'll move on to the preschool room where they'll get more one-on-one action. But we're a small facility, but we do take pride in what we're doing. And we're teaching them sharing and the color blue. Very, very good job, Miss Natalia. Very, very good job. All right, everybody say bye-bye. Everybody wave to the camera.
Everybody wave.
Everybody waving.
Look, wave.
Jaslyn, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay.